First of all, today the United States of America (US) recognizes Arunachal Pradesh as a part of the India, and then after US also once again give the profitable advice to the China to recognize Arunachal Pradesh as a part of the India, but China did not apply it. China never applied it because China demanded that it is the part of the southern part of the Zhejiang state of the China. Zhejiang state, that is the China, and in India that is called Tibet. And this is the part of the Tibet, and so that's why Arunachal Pradesh would be the part of the China as per the China government, Chinese government. But it was claimed by the US to give the profitable advice to the China to claim that Arunachal Pradesh is a part of the India. And then after US Federal Reserve today did not change any kind of the increase or decrease their rates for the policy rates and interest rates. Policy rates and interest are both are same, and they keeps it, the Federal Reserve Bank of the US keeps it 5.25% to 5.50%, and it is the very profitable for the India, because when such a interest rate, if the lower interest rate will be in the American, then American would invest in India, and then after they want to earn the more money from India, not in US. So this is the reason behind it why India is very cheerful situation in the Federal Reserve. There they maintain their keeps their policy rates, interest rates 5.25 to 5.50%. In India, the interest rate or repo rate of the RBI, that is 6.50%. The difference is more than 1%, and it is the very good enthusiasm for the Indian investors and the foreign investors too. And after that, the Congress party alleges that Modi government is going to cripple Congress party financially. And as we know, income tax department of the India, they seized the 11 bank accounts of the Congress party and 2 bank account of the Youth Congress. At present, Congress has no money for the fighting election 2024 Lok Sabha election as per the Congress party. And it was the time of the 2018 and 19 when electoral bond was introduced by the central government. After that, then after the MPs and MLAs of the Congress party donated cash money worth 14,40,000 to the Congress party through the cash receipt, and it was the violation of the Income Tax Department, Income Tax Act. When electoral bond is out, then after we have to take the donation to the party only from the electoral bond, not in the cash. And then after this case was going on, and then after the details came about the SBI. SBI was directed by the Supreme Court of the India to submit all the serial wise details about the electoral bonds to the Election Commission of the India by 21st March 2024 by 5 p.m. And today SBI has done it. SBI submitted all the details including serial number, bonds number, account number, buyer account number, and then after in which political party that bond was cashed in. All the detail at present it was submitted to the Election Commission of the India by the order of the Supreme Court of the India to the State Bank of the India. And after that, Delhi High Court, when Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal went to the Delhi High Court to take the interim bail, to surety ED would not arrest him during his questioning time. But Delhi High Court asks the proof and evidence from the Enforcement Directorate, from the ED, on which evidence you want to the question would be with the Arvind Kejriwal. And then after ED officials goes to the Delhi High Court to show the proof and evidence against Arvind Kejriwal, and then after Delhi High Court refused to stay anything that CM Arvind Kejriwal wanted, and it may be possible he would be hearing, then after would be present for the questioning by the ED.